Dear all, welcome to the very first video of our new YouTube channel focused on Azure Cloud. I'm Vijay, and I'm thrilled to collaborate on this journey with you. We will begin with Azure Data Factory real-world scenarios. We are dedicated to exploring real-time scenarios and practical use cases using Azure Data Factory. Each week, we'll dive deep into a specific challenge or problem faced by data engineers and analysts, and we'll show you how to tackle these challenges using Azure Data Factory's powerful features. You may wonder why Azure Data Factory first. Let's talk about why Azure Data Factory matters. As organizations are relying on data-driven insights, the ability to efficiently move and transform data becomes crucial these days. Azure Data Factory empowers you to do just that. Seamlessly integrate data from various sources, transform it, and load it into data warehouses or data lakes. What can you expect from this YouTube channel? Real-world scenarios from actual industry challenges, step-by-step demonstrations on how to implement solutions, tips, best practices, and troubleshooting advice based on our experience. Whether you're just starting out with Azure or looking to deepen your expertise, this channel is for you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes. Also, don't forget to leave your questions and suggestions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Let's get started on our journey to mastering Azure together. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll tackle our first real-time scenario. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.